In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Beats Solo Buds with any Mac computer, MacBook, iMac, Mac Pro, it does not matter. So let's get started. First of all, we need to put them into pairing mode. And to do this, you need to press either of these, the button that is located above the Beats logo. So you can do it on the right side or the left side, it does not matter. You need to press that button during 3 seconds until you hear a beep. Let's do it. I'm keeping it pressed during 3 seconds. Okay, I'm hearing the beep. I can release that button. They are now in pairing mode. Do not close the lid, just set them aside. And on the Mac, you need to go over here. You see the top right corner, two small ovals, one on top of each other. Click on this. This screen will open. Then you need to click on Bluetooth. Then click on Bluetooth Preferences. This screen will open, and from here you need to go down. And down below you should see your Beats Solo Buds with a connect button on the right side. Make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on your Mac computer. So press connect once you see this. Then press connect. And if it does not work, it simply means that they're not in pairing mode anymore. And we need to put them back simply by redoing the same thing. So I'll press this button 3 seconds. Okay, now they're in pairing mode again, so we can continue. And now if I press connect here, yeah, you hear a different beep on them and they are now connected. You can cancel this, and to know that they're actually connected to your computer and you're ready to use them, go in this list and you should find them. Here you go, mine are Trix Beats Solo Buds, and it says connected under with the battery left. If I click on options, I'll be able to switch and customize some of the features of these earbuds. And this is it. Now you can use them, and once you're done, put them back in the case. Next time you want to use them with your Mac, put them in your ears and they should connect. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.